So we have flowers here in the back, more flowers. This is radishes, peppers, flowers or pollinators. That's empty and empty. Basil will go in there later. There's chives there, more chives just start up top. Here's this raspberry. It's a fig tree right there. Another fig tree. The birds have eaten all the figs off though. So no figs for Ariel. Here's basil that has just been planted. I'll probably put more basil down there. That is summer squash that just went in. More summer squash that just got started. Tomato and basil. Tomato and basil. That is icicle radishes. Tomato and basil. Fig tree behind, fig tree behind, fig tree behind. More tomato, more basil, more tomato, more basil. More tomato, more basil, tomato, basil. This and this are leeks, and this is romaine lettuce. And this is more flowers for pollinators, for the bees. And that one is a bay leaf for my favorite dish that Ariel makes for me. This is the backyard this year. There we go, folks.